white. White means skin color, which we are called deficit of melanin. Melanin. Black means presence of melanin. Not absence, presence of melanin makes the skin black. White is a deficit and black is full. It's the presence. And who should feel pride? Black should feel pride. Black should be respected, not the white. That's why Rama is black, Krishna is black, Shiva is black. Because your journey to absolute singularity is only through this. Understand? So people don't understand. It is clearly mentioned, Rama is black, Shiva is black, Krishna is black. In India, all great yogis are black. In Himalayas, everything is white. You will see a black, something is moving. Means he is a sannyasi, he is a monk. Completely, because ultraviolet light, and he meditated intensely. He doesn't even wear clothes. In minus 30 degrees centigrade, is black, tan. So today, still Nelson Mandela came, Martin Luther King came, and world talks so big, so many novels, Trevor Noah comedy show, and so many people try to bring, to tell we are humans. We are all humans, there is no black and white. Because 99.9999% of our body is the same. When you say black, when you say white, just take a blade, take a razor, and just erase the top layer. Where is white, where is black? Tell me. What a human ignorance. 99.9999% reality we ignore, and 0.0001% the world in ignorance, and labels something and fights for no reason. The way that George Floyd is treated, inhuman. The way he is killed is inhuman. But in his name, okay, George Floyd, something went wrong. Because let us remember, all whites are not good, all blacks are not good, all whites are not bad, all blacks are not bad. There are good whites, black whites. There are the good blacks, there are the bad blacks. It is a human nature. There is a good human, there is a bad human, irrespective of your country, your creed, your gene, whatever it is. Why don't we realize? It is all about good or bad. If this is a criteria, there is no question. But the criteria is, the color. As if the entire black color is wrong, as if the entire white color is right, entire white color is wrong, as if the entire black color is wrong or right. entire America, burned, damage done. It shows how intolerant we have become, how inhuman we have become, how inhuman we have become. There is no sense of a human belongingness. We are not treating fellow human as a human. So insane it is. When I read in the newspaper, oh my God, now curfew, COVID kept the curfew lockdown. Now, again human problem. Again 150 cities in America, 160 cities in America in total curfew. What a misery a human always to want to bring in. You see. More than a COVID damaged, and threat of the human is now, oh my God, if I go out, what happens to me? 3 people died. The human life, who died, white or black? Question is not that. But 3 people died. So that's why this is happening. Patanjali says, Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Our education, right now, our education is only to earn. Our entire education is earn. Ego boosting, earning. That's all. It is our education in India, or Patanjali is saying, your education is to make you good. Your earnings, your ego, entire education is boosted ego. Simple. The more ego means, the more bad you become, more unhappy you become. Your good means you are happy. The constitution of the countries should be very strict. There is only one constitution in India, Atha Yoga Shasanam. The constitution, what is yoga? Yoga is constitution of India, Indus Valley civilization. What is the constitution? Constitution of Indus Valley civilization, like America has its constitution, UK has a constitution, like India has a constitution, and Indus, India, has a constitution called yoga. Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Buddha also said the same thing. What Buddha said? Sabha papasa akaranam kushalasa upasampada sachitta pariyodapanam etam buddhanushasanam etam dhammanushasanam etam sanghanushasanam. Shasanam means constitution. India has only constitution of dharma. Everyone living in that country should be abide by the principles of yama, niyama. If you are a citizen of India, if you are a citizen of this world, you have to be abide strictly by non-violence, non-stealing, and respecting the partners, respecting the gender, and respecting maintaining the free testosterone for the concentration, and not indulgent to the sensual pleasures, restraining from the sensual pleasures, speaking only the truth, and everyone working towards singularity, removing the entropy, entire journey. Shaucha Santosha Tapasvadhyaya Ishvara Pranidhanat Ahimsa Satyasteya Brahmacharya Parigraha. Entire Ashtanga Yoga Niratanam. Every Indian is abide by this constitution. Every Indian followed Ashtanga Yoga. Every Indian followed further limbs. Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham. Today mantra is having. Mama Vikshepa Mama Mala Vikshepana Nivaranardham. Today mantra, Shiva mantra, Nivaranardham. What Shiva has given? Consciousness of yoga to the India. Every Indian, to be in this India, to be born in India, to live in India, as a citizen of India, you have to be a yogi. That's all. Your constitution of the country itself is a yoga. Today, our constitutions are not yoga. The goals, the objectives of the country is the money, consumption, how much I am consuming. A consumer can never be happy. Yoga means exactly opposite of consumption, conservation. Conservation is called development, consumption is called weakness. But today, when you say developed country, mean the one who is consuming more, we call developed. That's why the one who is consuming more is the most weakest. More racism exists.